Hi, welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus 15, and in this video let me show you how to wake screen on notification on this device. So let's go to settings, and you want to go to section notifications and quick settings. Now here you want to find option that says wake screen when a notification is received, and you want to turn this feature on. So when this enabled, it will cause your screen to wake after you receive a notification. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.